Okay, now the next question is question number second. How is twist coded if mark is coded as OCTM? This question is based upon coding of letters. Okay, so let's start with the question. They have given mark, this word is coded as this word. So how you have to code this word twist? Okay, now let's move with the question. Mark is mark is coded as OCTM. Okay, so it means mark, M is coded as O. You have to leave N. Okay, you have to leave after M. What is coming? N. M N O. Okay, so you have to leave N. You have to fill O. Okay, A, after A, B is there, but they have filled C. Okay, so means you have to leave B and you have to write C. So in this way, R, S, T. S, they have left S and they have filled T. K, L, M, you have to leave L and then M is there. Okay, means they have left one alphabet and then they have filled the next alphabet. Okay, after M, N is coming, so they left M and they have coded M as O. So you have to leave one alphabet and you have to write the next alphabet. Okay, so similarly this pattern you have to follow in the twist. So in the twist, after T, U is there, but you have to leave U. Okay, you have to fill V. Okay, W, X, Y. X you have to leave. X will not write X, so we'll write Y. I, J, K. J you have to leave. You have to fill K. S, S, T, U. T you have to leave. You have to write U. T again. T, U, V. U you have to leave. You have to write V. So in the same whatever pattern they have followed in the given word, that same pattern you have to follow in the next word. Okay, suppose they have left two alphabets, so that same pattern you have to follow here. If they have left five alphabets, so you have to follow that same pattern. If they have left 10 alphabets, then you have to follow that same pattern. Now in this question they have left only one alphabet. Okay, and they have written the next alphabet, so you have to follow the same pattern. You have to leave one alphabet and you have to write the next alphabet. Got it? So this is the answer. So you can write that twist is coded as VYKUV. Got it? This is the second question. So let's move to the next question, question number 3. In the question number 3, they're saying that in a certain code, line is coded as 8354 and pass is coded as 2971. What will be the code for Apple? Now this question is based upon numbers coding. Okay, to this word they have given a number, to this word they have given a number. Now you have to find out that for this word what number should be there. Okay, now let's start. Line is coded as, this is a line, L-I-N-E. Okay, line is coded as to L they have assigned a number 8. I they have written 3, N they have written 5, E they have written 4. Similarly for the pass, P they have written 2, A they have written 9, S they have written 7, S they have written for this they have written 1. Okay, now you have to tell that for the Apple what number should be there. So just see that what number they have assigned to A. Where is A? This is A. So to A they have given 9. For the alphabet A they have assigned 9 numbers, so you have to write here 9. For P, where is P? P is here. For P they have written 2. So P is coming 2 times, so you have to write 2 times 2. Okay, now next is L. Where is L? L is here. For L they have assigned 8 number, so you have to write here 8. Next is E. Where is E? For the E alphabet they have assigned 4 number. Okay, now you have to write for E, you have to write 4 here. So in this way number coding is very simple. Okay, whatever numbers they have assigned to the particular alphabets, that same number you have to assign the word which is given to you. Okay, so this is the number coding, and the previous question was based upon letter coding. Okay, now let's move with the question number 4. The ones digit of a 2-digit number is 3 times the 10th digit, and the sum of digit is 8. Find the number. So as we have discussed in the class, okay, there is a 2-digit number. Let me write here. They are saying that there is a 2-digit number. Okay, but we don't know what is that number. They are saying that the number which is coming on ones place, it is 3 times the number of tens place. So let's suppose tens digit number is x and the ones digit number is 3x. Okay, because they are saying that the ones digit number is 3 times of tens digit number. Okay, so let's suppose tens digit number is x and ones digit number is 3x, and they have given in the statement that sum of both the digits are 8. These 3 things are given in the statement. Okay, but number we don't know. So let's start with the question. According to question, you have to write that x plus 3x is equal to 8. You have to add these 2 digits and you have to equate with 8, because sum of both the digits are 8. Okay, now x plus 3x is 8. 4x is 8. X is equal to 8 upon 4, so you can cancel it. 4 ones are and 4 twos are. Okay, so x is equal to 2. Got it? So your x value is 2. Now you can put the value of x in the tens digit. So tens digit number is 2 and the ones digit number is 6. 2 3 is 6. So what will be your number? If tens digit is 2, so where tens digit will come? This is ones, this is tens. 2 you have to write here. Ones digit is 6, so where you will write 6? 6 you will write here. This is a number ones or at the ones place. This is number at tens place. So please find out your number and then you can put the numbers in that sequence. Got it? Now the next question, that is question number 5th. This is the last question of today. The difference between a 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 36. What is the difference between the digits of the number? Okay, now see that in this question they have given a reverse number. Okay, so you have to implement a formula here. So let's suppose they are saying that, let's suppose ones digit number is x and tens digit number is y. Let's suppose ones digit number is x and tens digit number is y. So your number will be, what will be your number? Your number will be yx. Tens will come here, ones will come here. Okay, so till now you have to suppose that this is your number. This is your number, yx. Now there is a formula. I'm writing here. There is a formula of 2-digit number 10 multiplied by a plus b. Okay, this is a formula. 10 multiplied by a plus b. Okay, now what is your a here? Your a is your y and b is your x. Got it? According to number you have to write a as y and b as x. So this is your actual number, 10 multiplied by y plus x. This is the formula. For a you have to write y, for b you have to write x. This is the number, actual number. Okay, now number obtained by reversing the digit. Now you have to write a reverse number. Okay, same, in the same formula you have to implement the values, but in place of y you have to write x, in place of x you have to write y. That's it. Okay, so your number will be 10 multiplied by x plus y. Now in the question they have given that difference of both the number, actual number and the reverse number, it is equal to 36. So write here actual number minus the reverse number, it is equal to 36. Okay, write down the value 10y plus x minus 10x plus y equal to 36. 10y plus x minus 10x minus y. When you open the bracket, minus sign you have to write with both the digits, both the values. It is equal to 36. Now 10y plus x minus 10x minus y equal to 36. 10y and minus y. 10y and minus y is 9y. Minus 10x plus x is minus 9x. It is equal to 36. Okay, so you have to take 9 common. Y minus x is equal to 36. So 9, you can take 9 in the denominator, you can cancel it. So y minus x is 4. So the value of difference of both the digits is 4. This is your answer. Got it? So today we have discussed first 5 questions, and I hope you are getting all the concept now. Step by step you can see the video. Wherever you are facing problem, you can pause the video and see the video once again. Okay, and note down the question very properly, carefully in the fair notebook, and go for the practice in the practice notebook. Bye bye, take care.